Ino niyo bicere yatinda wabici-ini cia POSTA kaunti-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini. Aruti wira kambuni ino makiuga ciigana ni ciigana na matikuruta wira ringi nginyagia marihwo micaara yao ya mieri 5. Makuite ifandiko cia kumenereria thirikari. Aruti wira ya maugitwo na thengia wao kuheana notithi ya thiku 21 kuri urugamiriri wa POSTA gutire makinya matacukitie undu uria riu matindikiririe kugoma niguo kuhinyiriria thirikari guthikiriria mateta mao.
2015 ri ginya hau tukinyete ri tutikoragwo na pension na nie ndire ndona kamboni ya thirikari etari pensionable ni twatunyirwo pension gutire kindu turi tutiagwo micaara gutire uria tukoragwo tunakatu.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia aruti wira ruhonge-ini rwa ukinyaniria Benson Okwara, aruti wira aya ni makiria ma 2,500 matiamukirite mucara wao wa mieri 5 mbeca irakinya o milioni 600 undu uria ucungiriirie miturire ya aingi ao kuhana ta yarugama kuona aingi ni maremetwo ni kuhingia mabata mao muthenya guku magitindikwo ni mathire.
Because our members have suffered for so long, for over 5 months, the members have resolved that there will be no work. There will be no work until the management and by extension the government of this country decides on the fate of the salary for the the Postal Corporation workers.
Wabici-ini nene cia POSTA kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, aruti wira aya ni mareganire na riendekithia ria urugamiriri wa POSTA na kiama kia aruti wira gia Communication Workers Union ria kwenda macokererie wira na makamukira mucara wao mwisho wa mweri uyu.
The letter is written from the Ministry of Labour and it's called Return to Work Formula. We want them to record your common MICARA strike iendelee. Iendelee as long as it takes.
Kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, aruti wira aya ni manyitanire na arunao mugomo-ini uyu makirandura micaara yao guku magitetia urugamiriri wa POSTA kuona makoretwo makirengwo kigina gia gubacirira motungata ta NHIF, NSSF, kuriha ngombo na kuiga sako, no na thengia wa mbeca ici kurengwo mucaara-ini wao citikoretwo igikinya kuria ciagiriire.
The banks are calling us each and every morning. Imagine somebody was woken up at the boxes here and then a bank calls you and tell you you've not paid me. What do you expect this one to do? Is our PMD waiting for somebody to commit suicide?
Kuna wengine staff wetu wanalala kwa yachts even because nyumba zao wamelokiwa, wamefanywa mambo yote.
Kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, mutongoria wa aruti wira ya Daniel Ondera ni ikitie retana kuri thirikari imateithiririe kwamukira micaara yao na ihenya kuna miturire yao ihanite ta yarugama riri garama ya muturire thietio ihaicite.
How do you expect our members to feed their families? We have children who are going to school. For 5 months they have not been given their salary. What do you expect us to do? What do you want us to do that these people may be able to get their salary?
Peaneni hili shirika kwa serikali, tujue kama ni kuteswa, tunateswa na serikali.
Aruti wira aya oho ni moretie kugarurira utongoria wa POSTA guku makihoya thirikari kuiga ruhonge ruru rungu rwa ministry ya ukinyaniria kana ministry ya ukui niguo kunyorokia uheani wa motungata POSTA.
The management of Postal Corporation of Kenya imesambaratika. POSTA needs a total overhaul from the top management.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jetagwo Wairima wa Muthoi.